Welcome to a beautiful ambiance. Nature at its best. With me, Miss Aviation Divination, and my protege, my legacy, my one-of-a-kind Einstein. He's fishing, as you can see, and I am patiently waiting for something to yank on my, what do you call this, baby? My fishing rod?
Fishing rod.
Cool. On my fishing line. And he knows what he's doing over there. And I got to see a beautiful mama duck and her little ducklings. And, you know, stranger things, people that I don't know, none of my business. Not going to point my camera at them because I can't afford a lawsuit. Guys, if you truly understand that living in your nature, meaning your state of nature, your self nature, your divine inner nature, and feeding that nature with your outer nature, which is creation, whether it be a lake, which I don't promote because it is a toilet bowl, it's not running water, right? But whether it be a river, the ocean, a stream, a trail, hiking, just sun gazing. Something as simple as sitting in the grass for 5 minutes and truly taking deep breaths. I not only encourage it, I advise it. Because I live it. I get emotional and easily stirred up when it comes to my feelings for you guys, because I want greatness for us all. And when I have it to give, and it is not received, perceived, or understood, it genuinely hurts. But it doesn't make me weak. It allows the compassion. And I just want to share it. Remember, if no one told you today, I love you, and you're always welcome at Smile. Little old me.